Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in my last ServiceNow video, I showed you how to create an incident ticket. In this video, I want to build on that. I want to show you how to filter your incidents so you can find exactly what you need. And then we'll take it a step further by creating a visual task board to organize and manage the incidents that we have to create a nice visual display. So let's get straight into the video. Once we have our ServiceNow instance pulled up, the first thing we should see is our dashboard. And to get to our incidents, we will want to go to All and type in ServiceDesk. And ServiceDesk is where we will be working our incidents. So, as you can see, we have a lot of incidents in here. If we wanted to rearrange the different categories up top, the number, open, short, description, caller, priority, we would want to go to our personalized list toggle. It looks like a settings icon. And let's just say we wanted to change where the priority is. We want that to be the second column, so we will move it up, and we want to show the assign to next to priority. And you just rearrange this to your liking so you can be more efficient in your work. And you just press OK. As you can see, we have number, priority, assign to here. And let's just say we wanted to assign our tickets to someone. We can just press our check boxes. And it depends on if you're using a MacBook or Windows. I'm not sure what computer you're using, but in this example, I'm using a MacBook computer. For you to be able to select a lot or the three we have selected one at a time, you want to click Shift and the down key. And you can see just like that. You hold Shift and press down. And you just double tap. And let's just say we're going to assign it to platform user. And you see it says 3 rows will be updated. And as you can see, all 3 was updated. Okay, let's filter out our different incidents that we have. To do that, we will go to our filter icon here, and we will type in incident state. Incident state is, let's just say it's in progress, and we want to run it. So as you can see, it shows all of the incidents that's in progress. I want to let you know why filtering matters. Now, it may seem small, but filtering is a huge part of staying organized in ServiceNow. Knowing how to filter things by priority or different assignment groups or different states, it helps you to remain focused on what matters instead of getting lost with all of the tickets that you have. And plus, it shows that you actually know how to navigate the platform. So that is a reason why you want to know how to filter out everything. It helps you be more quicker when you are looking for a certain incident that you need to find, and you just be more efficient in your work. So as you can see that we have all of the in progress incidents. You would want to do the same if you're finding the incidents that are on hold. So you say incident state is on hold. and you would just click run. Okay. So now that we have that out of the way, let's move into creating our visual task board. To create our visual task board, we will need to go to all, and we would need to go to self-service. And as you can see, once we click on self-service, you would see visual task board. You should be brought to this screen to create your visual task board, and we would just hit create new visual task board and then freeform. So let's create our new task board. Let's name it my incidents. Okay. And then we're just going to put in progress and on hold. And we can just get rid of this lane here. So let's favorite our visual task board. You just hit the star, and then if you need to go back to it quicker, you just go to favorites and it should be there. Okay, now we want to go back to our incidents. So we want to go back to service this, and then go to incidents, and we're going to filter out our incidents that's in progress and move them over to our visual task board. So to do that, we will filter out everything and go to in progress, run. We're just going to select a few to move it over to our visual task board. And once you have all the ones that you have selected, we will go to actions on selected rows and find add to visual task board. And you should see the freeform task board that you created. And once you click on it, you should see that it has added your incidents to your board. We'll go to the board, and it shows here. So I'm gonna move this over, and we're just gonna do the same that we did for in progress to on hold. So we're gonna go back to our incidents and filter out our on hold incidents and run it, and it shows our on hold incidents. If you want to be a lot quicker, you want to make sure that you're using your favorites. It makes things a lot easier for you to go to it back and forth instead of just having to keep typing it in and things like that. So we're going to go to add to visual task board, and you see we added 3 to my incidents task board. So, and you would see it just like that. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.